Good afternoon, everyone. Today we're tackling another iconic problem in combinatorics, the knapsack problem. This problem is not only a cornerstone of theoretical computer science, but also has significant real-world applications in resource allocation, finance, and even cryptography. Imagine you're going on a hike. You have a knapsack with a limited weight capacity. You're presented with a set of items, each with a specific weight and value. Your goal is to choose a subset of these items to maximize the total value without exceeding the weight limit of your knapsack. Sounds simple, right? But here's the twist. As the number of items grows, the number of possible combinations explodes exponentially. Let's take a real-world example. Investment portfolios. Imagine you're a financial advisor with a fixed budget and a set of investment opportunities, each with a cost and an expected return. The knapsack problem helps you decide which investments to include to maximize returns without exceeding your budget. This same logic applies to resource allocation in project management, cargo loading, and even in selecting features for software development. The knapsack problem is also an NP-hard problem, meaning that finding the exact solution becomes computationally infeasible as the number of items grows large. However, unlike the traveling salesman problem, the knapsack problem has efficient approximation algorithms and dynamic programming solutions that work well in practice for many real-world scenarios. So, whether you're packing for a hike, optimizing an investment portfolio, or allocating resources for a project, the knapsack problem is a powerful tool in your combinatorial toolkit. It's a perfect example of how abstract mathematical problems can solve practical, everyday challenges. Thank you.